So today I have something very special to show you. It's a penthouse here in Sunset Boulevard. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, 208 squares. Let me show you around. But obviously, it's the mission to go out the elevator. So let's do a little camera magic to go out to the top. And here we are. So come on in, let me show you around. So this side is one of the first bedrooms. Take a look. The built-in cupboards, great views of the Blouberg Beachfront. On the other side, we have another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom with a built-in shower. And if you come through this way, we've got the living area, which is very expansive. In fact, this apartment has 2 living areas, one upstairs and one downstairs. This is the primary for all the kitchen cooking and prepping and all that stuff. Some more incredible views of the beachfront. Follow me in here. This is the main bedroom with an ensuite. It's a great little patio. Enjoy your coffee in the morning. If you come through this way, there's tons of cupboard space. Your ensuite bathroom with a heated towel rail and a bath shower combo. Cool, so that is the main room. Let's go check out the upstairs area where most of the entertainment was happening. It was actually why the owner bought this property. She used to entertain her work guests, and ever since she doesn't really work anymore, she kind of retired, she now no longer really needs the space, and that's why she's decided to sell the place. So as I mentioned, here is the secondary living area. Look, another kitchen with granite countertops as well. Nice built-in Braai. Another space for refrigerator. There's some sunlight coming into the sunroof over there. And then there's a little guest loo over here, which you can have a look at. And then the thing that really makes it special, as it always is with penthouses, are the views. So come out and have a look. I was actually thinking it'd be pretty cool to do like an outside braai area up here with tables, run the chairs around, fire pit. Yeah, he got sucked into the camera, or the cameraman got sucked into the mountain. But this area would be excellent for an entertainment area. The bottom area could be used for sunbathing. I mean, there's really a lot of space up here, a lot you can do with it. So if that's something you'd be interested in, a little fix-upper, reach out to us in the comments and we'll get in touch with you.